There goes Josie on her scooter. Go, Josie! Woo!
Mom, did you know I'm like a fireball?
Yep, I know.
Did you know this?
I did know that.
That's why I did both teams.
Yeah.
First I was go blue in the lightning. Then I was go black fireball.
Woohoo!
And
There goes
I
Sissy.
go blue lightning fireball.
There she goes on a two-wheeler. First night she got to ride her bike. Go, Charlotte! There she goes, zipping by. She's got it. And there's Josie on her scooter.
Now turn around in the driveway and come back down it.
Go Fireball!